Welcome to your own private sanctuary in the heart of Lawrenceville, a home that has a special place in my heart. Tucked behind a charming gated entry, this light-filled space features custom white oak hardwoods and a modern kitchen that overlooks a blooming backyard oasis. Double sliding doors create a seamless indoor-outdoor lifestyle, a rare find in Pittsburgh city living. Tall ceilings, large windows, and a neutral palette evoke a sense of calm and ease throughout. Located on a peaceful street, you're just a few short blocks from vibrant Butler Street, the Tuesday Farmers Market, and the River Trail. What has made this house so special is I have called it my own, a space where I've had peaceful mornings, created lasting memories, and found a kind of calm that's rare in the city. It has meant so much to me, and I hope that it means just as much to you.